It is a bright and early Tuesday, 7:29. Looking to find some sort of position to jump in here. It looks like it bounced off of my 3 a.m. London open line at 7:28 from yesterday that I set. I was going to go back and try to find some highs and lows and stuff for today. It was hovering around yesterday's high, as you can see. All the prices bouncing to and from that. Had a big jump up this morning overnight, or this morning when the market kind of hit about 9 o'clock, and then started just tanking. So let's see if there's some news or whatnot today that we need to maybe pay attention to. We're going to go on Forex Factory and go ahead and just check out some news. See here, calendar. See what we got here. All these on here. So we got Tuesday. We only look for the US dollar ones. Jolts come in at 10 a.m. It's the job stuff. Job openings during the reported month, excluding the farming industry. Jolts is pretty good indicator. It actually comes on in about 5 minutes. So I know the market's probably going to react to that a little bit. So we can just kind of hang tight and see what it's going to do. See here, we're down. See this mini. See my mini trade. I forgot this one was on last night, to be honest with you. This one was on yesterday. It's kind of recovering. I got a high. It busted. It had a gap in the market yesterday. Oh, that's what happened. The gap hit, and it put me in the trade, but it didn't get me out. That was the other night, but then I think it came back down, and I put it on yesterday. So it hit the marker right here. And then now it's down. But I'm about to actually cancel this because I think that it's going to continue up. I think it's just kind of producing liquidity. Overall, the general idea and the general market structure, as you can see if you go in a wider time frame, is this right here. Is going up. It's going up. I think it's just coming down to some of these levels, and then it's going to cap up again. So that's on a weekly. Monthly, it definitely came up a month. Look at that. It came all the way down here. That was back in April. That's when Trump did the tariff wars and tariff things going on. And it came up after that. So as you can see, it looks like it's gonna come up again. Everything usually recovers with the market. That's why I just want to hold tight to that position and just wait it out. Some of these down here are just little quick moves to make some money on it, going down to this area down here that it possibly might. But I think that it's going to continue to go up. So we'll see how that goes, how that pans out for today. That's the ES. See what else we got. We got some metals, energies, currencies. Let's see how gold's looking today. Gold on the monthly scale is definitely a little indecisive, but I think it's due for another breakout. Looks like it was something like this, like blue, 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 blue. This little rally, base, rally, rally, base, rally, base, rally, base, rally. That's what we're banking on. I actually have a buy in this too, so it'll buy once it gets up to this 3,387 mark. Let's get back on the NQ, baby. That's what I want to do. I'm gonna mess with that NQ today. We got all our little daily opens and closes and all that on here. Can't really see too much on there. Let's get to our daily. So we got the days. This is today's high now. We're gonna do today's low. It's already blew past. It didn't blow past it, but let's see if we can tap something right there. We can draw this line, and we're gonna do this for yesterday's high. And then we gonna have yesterday's low. Here we go. Yesterday's low. That's not on here. Change this to yesterday's low and save this template. Okay, so we got today's high, yesterday's high over here. And it looks like it's hovering. We got a 3 a.m. 328 open. Let's find that now. Let's go down to our minute chart. We're gonna reset our view, and we're gonna find the 3 a.m. open. Let's see where we at here. 3 a.m. Because it looked like it rallied off of that bad boy last night. So this is the 3 a.m. open right here. So we're going to go up here, right this, draw our line. We're going to go to our template up here, click 3 a.m. open. We're going to put 7:29. And I just really want to make this a little thicker. There we go. 7:29 open. And then let's take a step back. Let's take a step back, see what it did. It bounced off this other 3/7/25 open the other day. Gapped in the market from Friday to Monday. Monday opens up all the way up here. It filled that gap here at yesterday's low and came up ever since then. Yesterday's low, tapped that bad boy, came all the way back up right here, came down, and it just skyrocketed. I honestly don't think I could have sat and held this that long, but it did its thing. The Asian market came in and took over. So it gapped yesterday, went up. Gave yesterday's high, came back down, filled that gap. So now kind of you can say it's back to normal again. Okay. And it's down here, yesterday's low. It shoots up, goes through today's low from earlier. Created this 3 a.m. open today. Tapped that, went up to new heights today, this morning. The jolts just hit. Jolts is in. It's consolidating right here. And I'm thinking it's going to tap this 3 a.m. 329 again. So let's see if we can get some play off of that. Let me see if I put today's high in. Yeah, did I put? Sure. Let me see if I put today's high in here. This is it. This is today's low. Today's high. Okay, so we got today's low in. We're kind of jumping around right here. Let's see if we can zoom in a little bit. See, go down to a smaller time frame. See what's really going on. See what's really going on. Look like it's about to do a little. You can see a little jumping. If it closes below this, you know, we might have a good possibility of it going down. But I'm curious to see what it does around this. See if it's tapping at 3 a.m. 7:28 mark from the other day. So Last time it tapped it. Let me see. 729. Yeah, it tapped it earlier and then bounced up off of it. So it might break through and wait for this one for today, because it hasn't even tapped this one yet today. It was made right here. So you see all this hasn't even tapped this quite yet. So let's see what it let's see if it can do something. But I'm willing to risk it, so we're gonna do 4 NASI contracts right here. I'm willing to risk it. Because it's been hovering on this today's high, so I'm willing to risk it. Let's see what I'm willing to risk it. Let's see what goes down. I'm gonna do go to my hourly chart, because it might be around like a demand zone area. So this little area or some resistance, but here's the actual swing. Here's the area swing. Even today's low, it kind of blew through that a little earlier. But it looks like it's actually kind of moving off of this 728. So see, just bumping off that. There's some orders right there, boy. But I know there's some orders right here too, so there's some orders right. Hopefully we back on. We still cooking over here. We still cooking. It's still heading down to this other 3 a.m. 729. It's on a downtrend, but we might get a good bounce back coming up. So let's see what we can make off this thing. But that's it, man. I just been playing this 3 a.m. Supply and demand's awesome. You can do that too. You can get something right here and do your thing, but we're gonna go ahead and just work this out. Let this thing play out. Alexa, play music. That's a big top and tail right here. I don't know. We're gonna have to see what goes down, man. We will have to see what goes down. I don't know what's gonna happen. Don't know what's gonna happen. Put this over here. bunch of gas. Gotta put some drawings into my group from yesterday. Legacy League. Put some trade sales for the day, y'all. Oh, that thing bounced off of that, creating higher highs. It's tapping these EMAs now. Tapping this VWAP too. Kind of want to put in on the sale right now. This is 15-minute range looking like. Let me see. This was at 9:30. Shit, that 15-minute range crazy. Look at this. That 15-minute range ain't nothing. Dang, that thing looking crazy. A lot of times it'll go down there and, you know, and I don't like to trade in the range. I like to wait till the 15-minute range kind of gets completed, because it's just a whole bunch of crazy stuff right here. But it definitely did a good breakout right here. You take it down to 2 minutes, you could see it tapped that thing again and shot down again. So tapped that line right here even, it came down. Now it's like working on its way up. It's building off of this 3 a.m. open from a few days ago. So I'm gonna let that play out and see if it does tap my 729 one, and then I'll go from there. If it breaks over this area right here, I can get in on a buy right there a little bit, but I'm not gonna risk as much. I'm only gonna do like 2 contracts for this one, and then I'm gonna go up like this. Put a buy order in right there. a little confusing, but I'm thinking it's going to be on some uptrend stuff today. You know, it hit these highs. It had this whole lot of high. I feel like a lot of times it goes down and takes out lows, and then it eventually just creeps on back up. So, and I know there is some orders down here at yesterday's low, but it just came so far to had to branch back down, and there's no crazy news really. Jolts already happened. It really didn't do anything. So we just gotta let it play out now. See what it does. Let's see what it does, y'all. We have to see what it does. I'm not sure what it's gonna do today. sell right now. This is 15-minute range looking like. Let's see, this is at 9:30. That 15-minute range is crazy. Look at this. That 15-minute range ain't nothing. Damn, that thing looking crazy. A lot of times it'll go down there, and I don't like to trade in the range. I like to wait till the 15-minute range kind of gets completed, because it's just a whole bunch of crazy stuff right here. But it definitely did a good breakout right here. Take it down to 2 minutes. You can see it tapped that thing again.
I get it.
Down again. So tap that line right here. Came down.
Let's get it.
Now it's like working on its way up. It's building off of this 3 a.m.
Let's see what happens with this.
3 a.m. open from a few days ago. So I'm gonna let that play out. See if it does my 729 one, and then I'll go from there. If it breaks over this area right here, I can get in on a buy right there a little bit, but I'm not gonna risk as much. I'm only gonna do like 2 contracts for this one, and then I'm gonna go up like this. Put a buy order in right there. Do we? No. It's a little confusing, but I'm thinking it's going to be on some uptrend stuff today. It hit these highs. It had this whole lot high. I feel like a lot of times it goes down and takes out lows, and then it eventually just creeps on back up. So, and I know there is some orders down here at yesterday's low, but it just came so far to had to branch back down, and there's no crazy news really. Jokes already happened. It really didn't do anything. So we just gotta let it play out now. See what it does. Let's see what it does, y'all. We have to see what it does. It's just hovering around this 3 a.m. from 728. I'm thinking 3 a.m. 729. It's gonna go. Like, it'll tap that and blast off. It hadn't even tapped it at all today. So that's why I'm just holding off. Hide these drawings so you can see everything. Real simple setup though. Shit. Real simple setup. We're gonna watch it play out. We will watch it play out. They want to do something. Want to do something. And it's even before the 3 a.m. No, it's in there. It is in there. It's gonna go take out some of them lows. We got today's low right there. We got 728. See if it gives a. Let's give it a little 5 minute. Let's do a 5 minute candle. A 5 minute candle close up there, boy. We in the money. We in the money. Shit. See what this 5 minute do. Let me get a good breakdown, baby. Now we in there. I'm gonna leave this ES one open. $260. 580. It's reacting. It's reacting. It's reacting. 46 seconds. It's reacting. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby, we gonna run the play. Maybe get run this shit up there right there. How much is that? I'll run it back up to that. Get it. The cool 27 off of it. Just gotta let it play out. Let's get it. See what happens with this. We gonna go cancel these risks a little bit here. Let that thing close up there. Gotta ride the train. Lock 360 in. Lock that 360 in. That thing pushing. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. $1,500. alright. That's alright, man. It's alright. It's all good. We're gonna get out of there. Shit, that thing. Alright. Shit, I can't get out of there. 850. Lock me. I just want to lock in about 400. Shit, that's fine with me.
3 a.m. from
100, 400.
I'm thinking 3 a.m. 7:29. It's gonna go like it'll tap that and blast off.
Ain't running.
It hadn't even tapped it at all today, so that's why I'm just holding off. Simple setup though. Shit. Simple setup. We're gonna watch it. We're gonna watch it play out. We will watch it play out. Want to do something. Want to do something. And it's even before the 3 a.m. No. It's in there. It is in there. It's gonna go take out some of them lows. We got today's low right there. We got 728. See if it gives a. Let's give it a little 5 minute. Let's do a 5 minute candle. 5 minute candle close up there, boy. We in the money. We in the money. Shit. See what this 5 minute do.
up out of there.
6 seconds. Just reacting.
You almost had me. It almost had me. Let's see what it's doing. It's doing a lot.
Yeah, baby. Cool 27 off of it. Gotta let it play out. Risk a little bit here. That thing close up there. Ride the train. Lock 360 in. Lock that 360 in. That thing pushing. Yes. That's what I'm talking about. 1500.
I really honestly don't know what's going to happen. Trying to let it just play out. I really want that $1,000. Let's see if the market pushes back up. It's making little highs. It's just low. You know, just trying to see what it's gonna do. Don't know really what it wants to do here. We'll see.
way back. Let's work its way. I'm gonna work its way back up.